So guys, we're going to do a quick calculation. The BSR for this book is 397 and we're going to hit calculate sales. So this book is making approximately 4,127 per month. So the royalty, I already did a calculation for that. The royalty is 233. I'm going to show where I got this from, but it is 233 times 4,127, 127. So this 4,127 times 233. Yeah, 233. And this book is making approximately $9,000 per month, guys. I'm not even going to go to bed per day. Anyway, let's see how it's making per day. So it's $9,000 per month. 233 times 275. 275. So this person is making $640 per day and $9,000 per month. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 Easter niches that you can focus on because Easter is quickly approaching and so many books are doing well, and that's what we're going to focus on in this video. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching to the end. Let's go. So guys, this is the niche I was calculating. It's called it's like a storybook. I think it's a storybook. And you guys remember that I talked about storybooks doing well on Amazon, right? I even showed you guys a course that you can take. It's by Nuria, a fellow YouTuber. She's also been doing well with storybooks and she made a course about it. And that's the only course I've ever recommended on this channel because I have taken it myself. And I'll leave the link for the course in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. And like I said before, this niche is doing quite well. This is where I got the BSR from, and that's what I used in calculating this. So this year BSR ranked 397, and that gave us approximately 4,000 sales per month. Then for the pricing, I got the price from here, 997. So I put here 997 and I put the interior type premium color because obviously storybooks are color, but I went with a premium color and that gave us approximately royalty of 233. So we can see that this niche is doing quite well. Storybooks, if you're interested in, there's a course for you, like I said before, in the description below if you're checking it out. That was niche number 1. Niche number 2 is Easter joke book. So this one is also an Easter basket stuffer and it's selling quite well too. The BSR 566. Take a look at this, guys. It's just trendy right here. As you can see, then the BSR just fell there and it's quickly approaching 1. And let's take a look at the Easter joke book and see what exactly is it all about. So I'm going to click on look inside. Let's take a look inside. And from what I'm seeing, it's just a simple joke book without any color, so it is black and white. And Easter jokes: pick your team or go one on one, sit across each other and make eye contact. So those are instructions. Why didn't the bunny hop? Nobody knows. That's the answer. What do you call a rabbit with the sniffles? A runny bunny. How do you catch a rabbit? Make a noise like a carrot. What do you gift if you pour boiling hot water down a rabbit hole? Hot cross bunnies. These are not really funny, but maybe to kids they will be funny. Where does a bunny go if you give it a pair of socks? A sock hop. Well, to me they are not funny, guys. So, but this is what it is. That's what it looks like. We're gonna go to the next niche. Niche number 3 is Easter maze book for kids. It's also an Easter basket stuffer. You have 150 mazes, 3 difficulty levels. So let's take a look at the inside, see how well it's doing. So this one, let's take a look at the BSR too. The BSR for this book, 550, more than 1,000 sales. Yeah, this is another book that is doing quite well, guys. Easter mazes. So let's take a look inside and see how well it's doing. What do we have here? So they say different mazes. There's a software that does this. Um, mazes, all of that. Merch Informer has a software that does this. I'm gonna also leave the link to you, the Merch Informer if you're interested in it, and you can use the code Make Money Online, all lowercase letters, for a 20% discount. Yes, I've even made videos in the past about how to make mazes. They don't only do mazes, they do Sakura puzzles, other type of puzzles games, Hangman too. So many. I think over, is it 8 or 9 types of games that are there, but I stand to be corrected. Maybe they have increased the games by now, so you can easily achieve these with uh, the interior generator for puzzles right there at um, Puzzle Wiz. Yes, it's called Puzzle Wiz by Merch Informer. So I'll leave the link in the description below if you're interested in checking out Merch Informer's Puzzle Wiz. So that was niche number 3. Niche number 4 is Easter dot marker activity book. So it's like a coloring book, but it's dot marker. So let's take a look inside. This one too has a BSR of 1000. Let's take a look at how well it's doing. So it fell here, and it has reduced again. So let's go to Amazon and take a look at the interior of the book and see how well it's doing. So niche number 4, dot marker like a coloring book. Take a look inside. It has big dot circles, and like I said, it's basically like a coloring book, but it's quite different because there are bigger circles inside the animal. Normal coloring books will just have the animal, then you have to color inside, but this one has circles inside the coloring book. So that's how you niche down, and they call it a dot marker coloring book or activity book. So this is niche number 4, guys. Niche number 5. I have a bonus niche for you guys, so um, keep watching. So niche number 5 is another Easter basket stuffer, and it's called I Spy Easter Book, and it's for kids ages 2 to 5. So let's take a look at it too. But before we get into that, and this is a BSI 1155. Wow, look at that. It's currently trending. It fell here, but it keeps on. Well, it rose here. That means that the BSI increased on what it was buying. But look at this. The BSI is reducing. And it's approaching 1. It's estimated to approach 1. That means people keep on buying it. So it's I Spy Easter coloring book, Easter book for kids ages 2 to 5. So let's open it in Amazon and see what is going on here. So I think it's basically an activity book with or they'll tell you to, it says I spy with my little eye something beginning with A. So is it a cheese, a bag? What is this? Avocado or a? I'm confused, guys. What is this? It looks like an avocado with a string. It looks like a balloon. So I'm quite confused there. And so I have to circle what begins with A. Oh, accordion. I didn't even know that that's what it was. Anyway, so accordion. Anyway, that's interesting. Um, that's why so many people are going mad for it. It has one rating now, 5.5, and it's Easter themed. That's quite nice. So let's go to our bonus niche. Niche number 6, Easter egg coloring book. So this is for kids ages 1 to 4. These are bears are right here. And let's take a look at this on Amazon, see how it is doing. So, scissor skills book for preschool kids and kids ages 1 to 4. Let's take a look inside. All right, so it's basically just a coloring book, like I said before. This one is just a plain egg, so it's different kinds of eggs. So this one is draw and color. This one already has the egg drawn, and you have to. Oh, so there are different types. Yes, like I said, there are different types of eggs, but there's some that you have to. Oh, you can even carry it out too. I saw, yeah, fun to cut out too. So you can carry it out. 25 cute eggs. So different types of eggs. Wow, this is quite simple, guys. Anyone can do this. It's just a coloring book made up of different types of eggs. Some you have to draw it, some you have to draw and color. And you can, after you have drawn and color, you can cut it out if you want. So that's basically it, guys. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified whenever there's a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.